Supports reliable 650 MHz, 1 Gigabit per second Ethernet network connections with PoE. Compatible with Category 5E and Category 6 applications. Cat6 RJ45 cable clips prevent cable snags. Cat6 UTP cable, patch cord, Ethernet cable, Cat6 cable, network cable, N6PAT, N6PATC, N6PATCH, Gigabit Ethernet cable, Ethernet cord. Compatible devices. Workstation. StarTech. COM products are designed for IT professionals to meet their technical standards. Product quality, compatibility and reliability are ensured by our in-house and third-party labs. Made with 100% stranded copper wire, StarTech. COM cables are fully compliant with UL Safety Code 444 and meets the requirement for communications cables set by CCCA. Unlike other counterfeit cables that use copper-clad aluminum, CCA, wire. Rigorous physical and electrical testing to ensure high performance, compatibility, reliability, and durability. Each cable is individually tested, fluke patch cord test, to measure worst-case next and RL. Third-party certified, ETL verified, for maximum performance. Backed by 24-hour, 5-day-a-week, support from qualified technical advisors, our brand is trusted throughout the IT ecosystem and used by over 80% of Fortune 500 companies. Top reviews from the United States. Quality. So you're shopping around for cables and you've seen various reviews on some that don't measure up to rated speeds, some fall apart or have janky connectors. These aren't them. These are well-made, Cat6 cables that perform to spec. I am happy with them, you'll be happy too.